Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your YouTube music password. For that you need to go and open any Google app, because YouTube doesn't have its own password. It is linked to your Gmail. So just go and open your Gmail or any other Google apps and tap on your profile that will be on this top right corner. Just tap on that and then you have to click on manage your Google accounts. And now you have to tap on Google Passport, tap on continue button, and it will verify you using your Face ID or your phone passcode. And after that you'll get to reset your Google password. Just enter your new password and confirm with new password, and go back to your and after changing your Google password, go back to your YouTube music and tap on continue as your account name, and that is how you can reset your YouTube music password. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.